your lady, or partner, not ladies, you partner with your partner, then you can join together, okay? So, you all need to stand behind Jeannie so that you can see how Jeannie is going. Jeannie, I'm going to tell you what to do, don't panic. Okay, so we're doing a very, very simple bachata. Have any of you learned bachata before? No. Okay, bachata is a very sensual dance, so it's very extremely sexy, but today we will do the halal version. Okay? So if you want to dance on the dance floor with a person that you're not familiar with, there is a halal version. Okay? What? Bachata, when you dance with your partner, right? It's extremely sexy. Your legs go between each other. But sometimes when you dance with the mic also very shy. So shy. And this is the mic that always dies on the mic. Like I was telling some of my students, dance students in class, like sometimes when you dance with a stranger, because bachata is very, very social. So sometimes you go to a bachata club, salsa club, you dance with some guys that you don't know you, right? Come up to you and ask to dance with you, but some of them will try to take advantage, right? Maybe some ladies like it, they like to go ahead and, take advantage of him also. But if you want to dance the halal version, we will dance the halal version today, okay? So here's what's going to happen. Okay, this side we're going to start with our left foot. B, you're going to start with your right foot. You're going to take 2 steps to this direction. That means it's step, together, step. The last one you just touch. This is called a tap. That means you tap your ball on the foot. Go back where we came from. You're going to step together, step, and touch again. So that's your first 8. So when we put this to numbers, so if you all know music, right? Listen, you always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know some of you very music, you're like, but sometimes got 6. I don't care, you do the 8. So we're going to start again to that direction. Every step is 1 number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back that way. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back that way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy peasy, right? Now, if you want to bachata party, what you do is you add a hip. So the hip action comes with the ball. So when you're going in between, if you can go there, your hips, you do it. You can non-halal fighting, it's fine. But for the simple version, we can just go step together, step as you touch. You can use your hip. Okay. Very powerful, very sexy. I like it. And then you go back, step together, step. And then go again, step together, step. Step together, step. Okay, what we're going to try now is why don't we try a bit boring now, right? I know you do step together, so now. Alright, so I want you to try. Okay, let's try this. What we're going to do is we do the step together, step, tap, step together, step. Hey, don't so excited. Okay, when we go back there, let's try to do a 3-point turn. So what we mean by a 3-point turn is we are going to travel along that line in 3 steps with 1 turn. That means this side, we're going to start with our right foot. So that's how you start your left. You're going to go step, turn, step. Yeah, and you come back. Oh, you see your partner again. If you want now, okay. Alright. Okay, you know what? I think it was too hard for you. Let's give up on that. Okay, let's try that again. So we normal find that way. Let's try. Step together, step. And then when we go back, we try 3-pointed. So A, we start our right foot, we are turning clockwise. B, you're turning with your left foot. Turning. Okay, let's try together. Let's go. Step, turn, step. How is it so far? Okay, so wait, watch first. I'm going to pinjam Jimmy. Alright, so later you're going to try this. You have to prepare up. We try it now. I know when you watch first. What we're going to do is we're going to take turns to do the turn. So that you can admire each other's turns, okay? So usually, because this side A, right, for the guys here, the guys will be what? We do the lead. Because let the guys have the lead, alright? Because the girls are always right, so the guys must lead. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to step together that way. So step together, step up. Then B will do the turn first. A, what we can do is we can partner with the turn. Let go this hand and let the turn. Okay? Then you're going to let go this hand Cuma try ya.
Te vi en el